Hey y'all, it's Kay. Of course, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Let's hop into this video. So if you watch my channel, then you've recently seen me do a video on a wig this color, except for it was like a body wave texture, or it might have been straight. I don't know, but the color eats, okay? Like the color is tea, and I love the curls in the color. So getting into it, this is what the wig looks like. It has, I think, just one comb, and that's in the back, and this is a glueless wig. I think the lace is a 7x5. If I'm wrong, check my description box. All the details will be listed in my description, but you can wear this wig glueless. My head is extra small, and I wasn't really feeling that secure with the wig, just with the straps tightened, so I did go in and use Got to Be Glue, and y'all see how that lace just blended in so seamlessly after I added my finishing powder. So I add my finishing powder. You can skip the step of adding glue or wig adhesive because this is a glueless wig, but like I said, my head was a little too small for this wig, so I went in with my Got to Be Glue to tack down the lace. Surprisingly, the curls look good straight out of the packaging, but I did go in with some water and a little bit of conditioner mixed in the bottle, and I sprayed that all over the hair just to redefine the curls, and that's about it. I did not do anything else to this wig. If you do decide to wear this wig glueless, this wig is going to be a breeze when it comes to applying it. I'm telling you, I love this wig. I think it's the color for me. Like, it's just the color. The color is something about this color that just does it every time. But she is a cute wig. Y'all let me know what y'all think. But this is a pretty quick video because right here I'm just defining the curls. I do go in with my diffuser just to dry it to make the process a little bit more faster, and that's about it. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave it in my comment section below. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. So real quick right here, I don't know if you guys noticed that much of a difference, but I did go ahead and layer the front just so it can fall a little bit better. So I don't know which one I like more. Honestly, I could have did without, but it's still cute. So I don't know. Looking back, I think I like it longer better. I don't know. Y'all let me know. But yeah, that's it for this video. Bye y'all.